had a grudge too.
And I'm not ready to just walk away. My youth today just wanna love you. Say shut up and I'll make sure you tell me cross the street. And it's not fair, I gave you everything, all of me, your break on me. Baby, I'll fit that penthouse while I beat. Got somebody else's, now nobody else can eat. Still you're making more than you can spend. In all eternity, monopoly man. Push and pull like tug of war with you. Leave, I know it's never long till you fall back on your face. Why don't you just hold me? I'm no psychic, what you thinking, but I predict that you'll be leaving. But don't learn here just to give her there. I worked for this, and you never wanted my love anyway. A detrimental game you play. I can't wait here forever. Always, I'll be here when wolves come to hunt my flesh. I wish someone would save me, 'cause God knows that I spend my life doing all of the saving. I guess that I'll just be a cardboard cutout or a meme, whatever they want me to be. I am the monument, the monolith of a brand bouquet, getting plucked till it's nothing. It is to contort and contract all my muscles, remember and still arch my back. And I wash out each day, but my face still has fat. Someone told me the doctor could get rid of that, but I've already got a surgeon who knows me. Tonguing down anesthesia while he cut me. An implant, 500cc of sexy. I won't lie to you, that man really blends me. Hey, 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 when did I choose? Hey, 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 are you watching me? The hospital's filled with gold-colored eyes, and nobody knows. Created a packed out room in the sky, and down would you go? But young has gone bastard as a guy. Don't take it out till they're all